Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Wonderland. In the last video, we saw what is Python and why Python. In today's video, we will see how to download Python. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get notification of my further videos. Now, let's start our today's video. As you can see, I have written Python download on Google. You can just do the same. Then this link will appear, that is www.python.org. You just need to click that. Then this interface will appear. Now you have to go to downloads. Here there are various options for Windows operating system, for Mac operating system and for other platforms. If your operating system is Windows, then click on Windows. If your operating system is Mac, then click Mac. Or your system is other than this, then you can just click on other platforms. Now my system is Windows, so I will select Windows. Here already there is option of download for Windows and the Python version is Python 3.9.2, which is latest. So I'll click on this and here our Python is getting downloaded. Now here you can see the Python is downloaded, so go to downloads. Here this is Python file. I'll double click on it. So this is the installation window of Python. Here you have to select customize installation, but before that click on this box which is add Python 3.9 to path. Okay. Now select customize installation. Here all the options are clicked, so press on next button. Here 3 boxes are clicked. If in your case only 2 boxes are clicked and this third option, that is add Python to environment variables, is unclicked, then you have to click that. Okay, because this is very important for the path of Python. Then here this is the location of your Python. You can browse for what you want, but I will keep it default. And then you just need to click on install button and your installation will be done. So this is it for Python. I will not install because I have already Python installed. And this step is very simple. So you can do it by yourself. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you have successfully installed Python. And if you have any queries, then do comment below. I will make sure to answer every query. And if you like my today's video, then please hit one like and also keep supporting so that I can make more such videos. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.